always leave you with a smile on my face.
YouTube family, what's good? It's your boy Enrico the Barber, and today we are back with yet another video. So guys, in today's video, I'm sure you saw by the title, today we are doing a mid-skin fade. Today I put together a step-by-step tutorial for you guys. Josh celebrated his birthday a few days after this cut, and I'm sure he had a blast over time. I just want to give a big shout out to Josh. He lives quite a bit of a distance away, but he still comes through to show love and support. He's been cutting with me for years now. He's been a day one client, so shout out to Josh. I really appreciate the support, bro. Nonetheless guys, if you are new to the channel, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button. We are almost at 500 subs. I'm not gonna say almost, there's just a few, like maybe 40, 50 more subscribers I need, but that's light work, isn't it guys? Because I know you're gonna hit the pause button, you're gonna subscribe, and then you're gonna come back to watching the video. I'll give you a pause, I'll wait for you. I'll wait. Now that you're back, I hope you definitely hit that subscribe button. Most importantly, leave a like and definitely leave a comment. Let me know what you think about the content. So guys, I don't want to make today's intro too long. Let's go ahead, let's jump straight into today's tutorial. Like I said, super easy, super simple tutorial, step-by-step mid-skin fade tutorial for beginners, and this is if you're gonna be cutting a straight hair client. So guys, let's go ahead, let's jump straight into today's tutorial. Let's go. So guys, let's go ahead and let's jump straight into today's tutorial. As you can see, today we are doing the mid-skin fade, full step-by-step tutorial. And as you can see, today we have a straight head client, so this one's gonna be epic. So guys, first step, we have to start off with a nice and neat canvas. We're gonna start off by combing our client's hair out. Now using our Safeway cordless clipper, we're gonna go ahead with no guard lever closed. And as you can see, we are sitting in our first guideline. And with this guideline, because we are doing a mid fade, you'll notice me starting my guideline. My guideline is in line with my client's eyebrow, and we're gonna make sure that it is straight throughout. You'll see on the other side, it has a bit of a drop, but I will come back and correct it. As you can see over there, I'm just going ahead and flicking it out. I'm straightening that guideline out just a little bit more. So now using our Wahl Detailers, we're gonna go ahead and bold out this bottom section of bulk hair that we left. So you guys should know, if you are a regular viewer, I like leaving this for last, but now recently I've just been switching it up, so it really depends on your personal preference. So sometimes I like leaving it for last, sometimes I like starting off by doing it, but nonetheless we're getting it in. We're going ahead and we're debulking the bottom section over here. We're making sure that we're getting it nice and clean. Guys, sorry if you do hear a whole lot of noise in the background. I am at work right now, sitting in my car recording this voiceover. I needed to get this tutorial out. And right there, we're just going ahead and making sure that we have our guideline nice and even. So guys, with this step, please take your time. Make sure you get your guideline nice and evenly, because you don't want to have a lopsided fade. Now, still using our Safeway cordless clipper, no guard lever open, we are setting in a next guideline of about 1/2 inch. And here you'll notice me using a flick motion throughout, and I use this flick motion because I don't want to create any harsh guidelines. And with this guideline, it's good to just make sure you go over it a few times to make sure that you do get the length nice and evenly. So now that we're happy with the length, we're going to go ahead and we're going to start getting rid of that guideline. As you can see, I am using my Safeway cordless clipper, and I'm using the fading system that it currently provides. So you'll notice me adjusting my lever. bit by bit until my lever is back to being closed entirely. I actually want to get myself a pair of babyless because I love the fact that it provides a fading system for you. So if you are a beginner barber, definitely look into these type of clippers because it really makes your job so much easier. And guys, you follow the exact same steps at the back as well as the other side. So now for the next step, we're going to go ahead and use our number 1 guard, starting off with our lever open. And right here, you'll notice me creating a guideline of about an inch, maybe even just a bit bigger than an inch. But with this fade, I want to see a very nice transition. I wanna show the transition in the fade, so that's why I'm actually creating such a large guideline over here, and so that I have more than enough space to fade with when I am debulking the bottom guideline over there. So right now, still with my number 1 guard, all we're gonna go ahead and do is close our lever, and we're gonna focus on softening up that guideline over there. As you can see, we are focused on right now. And we're gonna just go ahead and do this at the back as well as the other side. And as you can see, doing this, it's already making it lighter at the bottom. And all that we will come through and do is right now with our 0.5 guard, starting off with our lever open, we're gonna go ahead and focus on debulking. Sorry, let me rather say softening up that guideline over there. And once you feel comfortable, you can go ahead and close your lever. And as you can see, guys, our fade is already starting to come together. And right there, you'll notice me using the corner of my blade in certain spots. And guys, like I said, you follow the exact same steps at the back as well as the other side. Guys, if you are new to the channel, please smash that pause button real quick. Go ahead and hit the subscribe button. Leave a like while you're at it. Guys, we are on the road to 500 subs. We are almost there. And right here, no guard. So we're gonna start off with our lever open, and we will adjust our lever if need be. But starting off with our lever open, what we're doing right here is we're basically doing some detailing work. We're making sure that we're getting rid of any dark spots or any inconsistencies. As you can see right there, we're just smoothing out that bottom area. So now, using my Safeway cordless clipper with my number 2 guard, lever open. Now starting off with my lever open, and once you do feel comfortable, we can go ahead and close the lever. And actually, my client used to he's been cutting his own hair for a while now. It's his birthday. Well, it was his birthday the weekend, well, a few days after we cut him. So yeah, shout out to Josh for coming through for the cut. Got him right. You guys let me know what you think about the cut in the comment section. Let me know. Give me a thumbs up if you like it. If you don't like it, let me know in the comment section. So now, using our 1.5 guard, starting off with our lever open. And guys, you'll notice me, it's like I'm preaching the same thing over and over. It's all the same steps that we are using. The only thing that's changing is our guards. So starting off with our lever open, once you feel comfortable, you can go ahead and close your lever. And when I say once you feel comfortable, I actually mean once you notice that there isn't any more hair coming off, or you can feel that there isn't any more hair being cut off. It's always good to just adjust your lever. Well, not it's good, you need to adjust your lever so that you can get the hair down to a shorter length. And now back to our number 1 guard, starting off with our lever open. We're gonna go ahead and soften up that guideline. As you can see, I'm using a flick motion. I have my clipper angled. I'm trying to use the corners of the blades as well. Once you are comfortable, once you feel like there isn't any more hair coming off, what you can go ahead and do is adjust your clipper, close your lever entirely. And as you can see right here, I'm really focusing on just using the corners of my blades, trying to get this transition as smooth as possible. And the exact same steps will be followed at the back as well as the other side. And guys, like I said, if you're new to the channel, go ahead, smash that subscribe button. Hit the like button as well. Leave a comment. Let me know what you think about the content. If it's helpful, definitely let me know. Next off, with our 0.5 guard, starting off with our lever open. What we're gonna be doing right here is we're gonna basically be doing some detailing work. So starting off with our lever open, we just go ahead and work our way back down to our lever being closed. So now guys, right here what I'm doing is I'm applying some hairspray to my client's lineup. As you can see, he has quite a few crowns. And right here we have a Wahl Detailer. All I'm doing is some quick detailing work and we're gonna basically line our client up. So like I was saying, my client has quite a few crowns. So as you can see, his hair looks spiky in certain areas. But nonetheless, I just applied some hairspray so that when I do come through and line my client up, it just keeps everything nice and in place for me. And as you can see, I started around the C-cup area, just lightly lining my client up around the C-cup area. And I also do this, I don't always leave a C-cup, but when I do leave the C-cup and I line it up, I always like doing the C-cup first so that it can make any inconsistencies pop out within the fade, and then I can just tackle that quickly. But nonetheless guys, now we're going ahead and we're tackling the most important part. So what I'm gonna do right here is I'm just gonna sit back and I'm gonna allow this lineup to bring the entire cut to life. Right here we're just applying some water to our client's forehead. Me personally, I don't like to do a dry shave, so when I am using my straight razor, I like to apply some moisture first. And right now we're coming through with our straight razor and we're just gonna go ahead and line our client up. It's always good to come back with the straight razor. When you line your client up with the blade, it really makes the lineup pop, makes it stand out nice and crispy. So I say definitely go ahead and invest in a straight razor. It will definitely make that much of a difference to your service. So right here guys, I'm just going ahead and I'm applying some hair fibers, some enhancements. As you can see, I'm just lightly applying just a little bit, just to fill my client's lineup up. But I'm not a big fan of it. I just like to add a little bit here and there. But nonetheless guys, this was Mr. Josh before we got the cut in. And guys, this is Mr. Josh as soon as we're done with the cut. Guys, if you are new to the channel, please go ahead and smash that subscribe button. Definitely leave a like. I'm feeling really confident about today's tutorial. So most definitely let me know what you think about today's tutorial in the comment section. Guys, it is your boy Enrico the Barber. Until the next video, peace.